Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of SweetMeet app. We click on settings. In this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about SweetMeet and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. And then you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.